Here's why you should cook steak straight from the fridge. As a kid, you ever forget to take the meat out of the fridge even though your parents asked you 3 hours ago? If your procrastination continued into adulthood like me, here's how you cook a cold steak. Dry brine overnight with a generous amount of kosher salt, and a day later, we're cooking straight from the fridge. Stick in a meat thermometer for that perfect doneness every time, and flip every 30 seconds in a hot cast iron. Once you get a perfect golden crust, put it in the oven at 350 until it reaches your desired doneness. Was this cooked edge to edge? No, but sometimes I don't have 2 hours to spare when I'm waiting for a steak to get to room temp. We all have busy lives, and time is money, so in my opinion,